under the PC1 phase 1, in which we have already started development works, and the works like, since I have taken over, I can very honorably and proudly say, with the guidance of Honorable Minister, with the efforts of my Secretary Syed Safdar Shah, and with the permission and patronage of our Board of Governors, I have been able to take some very important development activities which has changed the situation of Pitham, and I am sure the senior students, their parents present here might have noticed it, and they are witness to it, that this change has taken place in just 3 months. And I am sure with the help of my colleagues, staff, students, and patronage of our Minister, Board of Governors, Secretary, and the Department and Government of Sindh, I will be in position to improve it a lot more than what is expected now. Now I will tell just the development works carried out during 3 months tenure period. Number 1 is upgradation of lobby and seating arrangement of students and visitors. And you might have seen when you have entered into Pitham, previously there was no even seating arrangement for visitor. And now you have seen the lobby and you might have enjoyed it. Number 2, installation of CCTV cameras for security and monitoring classes. All the classes which are taken have been monitored on CCTV by me and my seniors from a room. That only not have provided impression of security, but the teachers and the students also feel that the classes are being conducted properly and there is someone who is monitoring it regularly. The result is the attendance have been tremendously increased from 50% most to 90% now. And I really appreciate faculty members, the teachers, and the students who have responded to my call and are regularly attending. Punctuality has been observed, classes are properly maintained, and teaching is properly being done. Third is arrangement of chairs for hall and classroom. It is a strange phenomenon. When I took over, I found the classroom lacking chairs. Even a big hall, examination hall, had no chair at all. When I said that this hall has no chair, the reply was that whenever we conduct the exam, we get the chair